Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here at YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we have our new headlight assembly. It's just sitting in here. We have our old one, and while the old one's out, I'm going to show you how you'd replace the light. We do need to transfer these lights to the new unit, but this is how you would replace the lights in general. There is a decent amount of space to be able to reach your hand from the back with the engine, in the engine bay with the hood up, to be able to replace these lights while it's intact, or you can remove a wheel well and you can have more access to reach in there to replace these lights. But since we have this light removed, if it's on, there are ways to do it. Otherwise, you could remove the whole bumper and this headlight assembly to replace it if you feel that you need a lot more space. We're going to have our turn indicator right here and a side marker light. Then we have the standard headlight, daytime running light right here, and then our high beam is in the middle, or right there. Okay, so to have the access back here, you'd have an electric connector right here, and this is for the high beam light. And so you would just twist that a quarter turn to the left. You'll unhook the electric first, it won't, because you won't clear here, and then turn a quarter turn to the left, and then you'll be able to pop the light out and be able to replace this with a new one. This one is a 9005, and so you would get a new 9005 to be able to replace that light. Then you would pop it back in and twist it to lock it into place, rehook up your electric connector. And that's how you would do the high beam portion of your light. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.